Oh my.
That's what's gonna make his year.
What?
Say hi.
I don't even know what to say. Baby.
Oops, wrong address. My mistake. Hi, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh my God, I want to take you home. Oh, you're so adorable. I want to stay here all day with you. I can't. I'm sorry.
He waits for the same delivery truck every single day. Not for the packages, but for the delivery guy.
Careful, don't fall in the cracks. Come here.
Hello. Hey, you. Hi, you big dog. How are you? Come here, baby. You're so excited.
Careful. He has a gift. He has a gift. Oh.
Moments like this make an ordinary job feel special.
Give her a card. Buddy, give her a card. Good boy. Drop it. Leave it. Leave.
Bella, get out of the car. Dude, kidnapped. Come on, Bella. Oh my God. Jesus. All right. I appreciate you, Bella.
This dog escaped a 6-foot fence, chased after a FedEx truck, and was kindly walked home by the driver, looking very proud of bringing a new friend home to Mom.
I don't know how she got hey, very super friendly, followed me down to the next house, and I was like, okay, wait a minute.
God,
I don't think
I'm sorry.
that's okay. This is for you too.
Like go crazy today. Okay, thank you so much.
Awesome,
I
no problem.
apologize.
No, you're-
I'm so happy. Oh, no, no, hello. Hello. How you doing? Let me see your lips.
When I tell you this man, I'm like 5 houses down from where this man lives.
And you just came to see me? You just came to see me? You came to see me? You came to see me? You crazy?
That's my friend, y'all.
You came all the way down here to see me. You just so crazy. You crazy.
This is a good dog.
He's such a good baby.
That's it. Okay.
If you're looking for a guard dog, make sure to rule out golden retrievers.
Hi.
What's
I
up,
heard you.
Punky? What's up?
He's 220.
He's 220 pounds.
Yeah.
What's up, bud? Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
He's getting ready to bark at you.
Oh, you're adorable.
Stay. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy.
Hello, happy spring.
Oh my gosh! Look at you! You got such a cute squidgy face. Yes, you do.
You like that?
Oh, oh.
Come here, Louise.
I need to squish your face. Oh, yeah. Oh, kisses to you. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Okay, come here. Come here, baby.
Holy shit, this thing is husky. What's up? You are so fluffy. Oh my God, let me love and adore you. What's up?
Yes, yes.
You are so cute. Can you shake? Sit. There you go. You're cute. Let's go deliver your package now.
Hey, buddy.
You
Did he bring you a treat?
This little guy knows his worth. Every delivery comes with the best treat.
Have a good day.
What is this?
I'm pretty sure this guy delivers dog food. That's why his grateful customer came running to greet him.
Oh, hey, baby. You're so cute.
Watch out! Watch out! Hello. I gotta scan this and I gotta get a photo, okay? Can't be in the photo. I know. Hello. Oh my goodness, you're so precious. Yes, you are.
Well, now I understand why my food was late yesterday.
Good boy.
Don't forget to give some pets if you want a successful delivery.
Hello.
Have a good day.
You too.
Ah, you're so pretty and fluffy. Yeah?
This might just be the sweetest reward of the job.
Hey, how you doing?
This furry friend looks like they're applying to be the new intern.
Hi, baby. Hi, puppy. You scared the bejesus out of me. Hi, baby. Oh, you scared the crap out of me. It's okay. I know how it is.
He is the mail carrier's best friend, and this is their favorite moment.
What are you doing? Ah, are you gonna bite me? I can't tell if you want to bite me or not.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, honey bunny. Oh, look what wait, come here.
Do you want a ball?
You do? Go get the ball. Yes, that's a good baby. That's a good baby. Yes. You can keep that.
Yes, you can keep it. You can.
Mashi, get the parcel. Natagya. Tawga, na.
This right here is probably what keeps the mailman excited to go to work every day.
Oh, salamat ya.
Oh, I hear it. I hear him. I hear him. Got one more stop. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. There he is. There he is. He's coming.
No puppy today. Oh, baby. There you are. I was looking for you. Hi, baby. Hello. I was looking for you. I'm so happy I got to see you. I know. It's coming. Oh, I know. You know what I mean?
Look who's back.
What's up, guys?
Your favorite guy. Bella's being good today.
You guys have a good day.
Right on, man. Bella, let's see your card. See ya. See ya. See, she did it again. Come on. Come on, girl.
Oh. Oh, you got on the pamphlet? Oh, little granddad. They know the door open, they know where your parents are. Go. Oh, I wanted to know you out here. God.
Their joy is truly contagious. If we all embraced life with that same excitement, the world would be a much happier place.
She disappeared, but she kept on going.
There's like a foot of snow, and she jumped right in it like a jackrabbit.
I got a little something.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's for Granny.
This one is for Granny.
Look what Dan's got.
I got for you.
Oh my god.
Good, how are you? Sorry, I got this mixed up.
Oh, you're fine. She's friendly.
Oh my gosh.
Friendly and she doesn't listen to me. Yes, she does. She hugs you.
She made my day.
Where he's scooting off to. Luna, hey, come here.
I'll get him.
Hey, how you doing? You want that? Baba Paw? Hey. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Haha, look who it is! What are you doing, buddy?
Maybe this is how winter makes up for tough deliveries.
I know your name's Winter. I know your name is Winter. I talked to the neighbors. I don't have any packages for you today, so you can't throw them in the front yard. What do you think of that? Be good, okay? All right. One more. That's it. You be a good boy. Bye, Winter. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Oh, fuck. No, it's okay. Stop. Please don't. You scared the shit out of me. Hi, sis. You a good dog? You a big guy.
This four-legged assistant never misses a delivery.
Okay, hold on. There you go. On the ground.
Thank you. Come on.
Good, I keep these on me.
Sorry,
He's a
dog.
beautiful dog, though.
Thank
He all
you.
right.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video.